My name is Leo, and I've wholeheartedly embraced the dynamic lifestyle of digital nomadism. 3 years ago, I relinquished a predictable office job to embark on a global odyssey, working remotely while traversing diverse cultures. This audacious decision, though initially intimidating, has profoundly enriched my perspective and honed my resilience. I set out on this venture after growing disenchanted with the monotonous daily grind. My inaugural destination was Chiang Mai, Thailand, a renowned haven for digital nomads. I swiftly settled in, securing a quaint apartment and tapping into the vibrant expatriate community. My days revolved around freelancing as a graphic designer, collaborating seamlessly with clients across disparate time zones. To maintain productivity, I carved out a disciplined routine, mornings dedicated to intricate design projects, afternoons to immerse myself in Thailand's rich tapestry. I meandered through bustling markets, savored tangy som tam, and picked up rudimentary Thai phrases to forge connections with locals. Subsequently, I ventured to Lisbon, Portugal, captivated by its picturesque architecture and burgeoning tech ecosystem. Navigating the city's labyrinthine cobblestone streets, I stumbled upon charming cafes ideal for remote work. I branched out professionally, tackling web development projects to diversify my expertise. Living frugally enabled me to stretch my modest savings, though I occasionally grappled with setbacks, erratic Wi-Fi, or bouts of homesickness. I learned to roll with the punches, adapting to unforeseen challenges with tenacity. Currently, I'm soaking up the vibrant ambiance of Medellin, Colombia, a city pulsating with innovation and warmth. I've teamed up with fellow nomads for invigorating co-working sessions, sparking creativity and fostering enduring friendships. My itinerary remains fluid, but I'm poised to head off to New Zealand next, enticed by its awe-inspiring landscapes and serene allure. Digital nomadism transcends mere travel. It's about embracing uncertainty, seizing fleeting opportunities, and thriving in a borderless realm. This odyssey has instilled in me the ability to think on my feet and cherish fleeting moments. I've learned to navigate cultural nuances, streamline my workflow, and stay grounded amidst constant change. For those yearning to break free from convention, I advocate stepping out of your comfort zone. Let the world's kaleidoscope of experiences shape your narrative and propel you toward a life of unparalleled freedom.
Your English gets better with every video. Like, subscribe, and let's keep learning together.